Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to print a print quality test page from a HP Envy Photo 6230. This is nice and simple, it's done from the printer itself, using nothing but the touchscreen you can see on the front. Now if you're not already on the home screen of the printer, the home icon will be lit on the top left hand side, press it and it takes you here. So to get started, we go into setup, pressing that little cog icon there, then we need to go into tools, which is the third option. Once we're in tools, we can just drag this page to a print quality report is shown, press to go into that, and your printer jumps straight into doing it, assuming you've got paper in there obviously, and this will take it just a minute, and you should end up with a page that looks something like this, with a breakdown of the cyan, magenta, yellow and black, but hopefully yours is a little prettier and closer to the one shown on screen. Using this page, you should get a pretty good idea of where the issue lies, and if you notice any obvious print quality issues, I'd recommend doing some cleaning cycles from the cartridges, which you can find a separate video for on our channel. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.